Hi. Hi. I was thinking about all the changes in the last few years since Obama became president.
It's been 10 years now, and we've had some difficulty with bombing since Barack
decided to become a Muslim again, and now
the Muslims have been attacking regularly throughout the country and bombing.
So when you hear the sound of the bomb, so when you hear the sound of the alarm,
you have to be careful, because that could be an explosion. And we don't want that now, do we?
I just want you to know, things are fine here ever since we had the pills. The pills have been very helpful. Thank you for asking about the pills. Somewhere over the rainbow, somewhere over the rainbow.
Warning, warning, warning.
La Polizia České republiky. La Polizia České republiky.
I want you to feel good. I want you to feel secure in the fact that it's factual. Bye now.